Welcome back for another Litecoin price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be sharing my next price targets and also give you the areas that Litecoin needs to continue holding here on the charts. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And it has been a norm to start the video by sharing the Litecoin halving event. And at this recording, I'm happy to say happy Litecoin halving 2023, since the Litecoin halving event has now taken place and the event has been a success. And now all we need to see, that is all we need to keep our eyes on, is now the charts, so that we can see the next reaction that we are going to see here on the charts, and also areas that Litecoin needs to continue holding. And at the time of this recording, Litecoin is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as a resistance for us to continue gearing up. We have also lost a key area of support at around the $91.35 mark, which is now acting as a resistance also for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where you can see that after seeing these lows on the 14th of June, we picked in these wave 1, so a wave 2, a wave 3, the wave 4, and then the wave 5, giving us a high above the $115 mark, completing the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 1. And after seeing that first wave, we started a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that has now managed to get into the minimum retracement areas highlighted on the charts using this red target area, which is an area that I came up with using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum retracement area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.618. And in this video, I want to extend the target area back to the fib level 0.78, because that is still a minimum retracement area for the second wave, so that my target area now lies between the $98.43 mark and the $80.46 mark. And as long as Litecoin needs to continues to hold within this red target area, soon I'm expecting to see a reaction to the upper side in the start of an impulse to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3. So despite the Litecoin halving event, where most people have been saying that we are going to see a dump, there are chances that that might play out here on the charts. And in case we see a dump and Litecoin continues to hold within this red target area, then soon I will be expecting to see an impulsive move to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, because a pump into this red target area and a movement that continues to hold within this target area, I will still consider it as a second wave. And in case we see such a movement that is further breakdown on the charts, that will be another perfect entry to get back into quant to ride that massive pump in the formation of that wave 3, and that is not financial advice. And giving you minimum target areas in the formation of this wave 3, assuming that we are not going to see one more new low in the formation of this wave 2, by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, I get a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $156.96 mark. And that is the minimum that we can expect Litecoin to do in the formation of that wave 3. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on here on the Litecoin chart. In case further breakdown continues, then we need to continue holding above the $80.63 mark. And as long as we hold above the $80.63 mark, we can still see that impulse in the formation of that wave 3 to the upper side in the next coming days or maybe weeks. Also taking a look at the indicators here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 45 mark. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross suggesting further breakdown, so let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.